Hi everyone, welcome to Bunny's Kitchen. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of my new blender. Okay, this is a Vidiem blender. I bought it at Mustafa Center for about $79. Okay, before I open up the box, you can see there is, there are two lines or two carriers for you to carry this blender easily. And a couple of features have also been written on the box itself, which has 5 cool features: self-locking jars, dynamically balanced blades, tri-mate coupler and sturdy handles. Okay, and of course it's 750 watts. It's ARIA Cool Tech motor. So now let me open the blender. Okay, over here they have indicated the packing checklist. It should come with a basic unit with 750 motor assembly, 1.5 liter master jar assembly, 1.2 liter multi-jar assembly, 0.5 liter marble jar assembly, as well as all the covers, instruction manual and warranty card. Okay, and in the box itself, it also indicates that it has a 2-year warranty. Okay. Okay, it's nicely packed. We have the warranty card. Okay, this is by Maya Appliances. Okay, Maya was found in 1970 and they were the first to do the pre-tea blenders. So right now they're doing this brand called Vidiem. Okay, this is the motor itself. Okay. Let me put it for you in front. Now let me take out the jars. Okay, this is the big jar. This is the big jar. Medium jar. The covers, as well as the small blender. Okay. Let me put away the box to explain further. Okay, so the big jar is big enough for you to blend batters like for your puree, your juices, as well as if you are someone who's doing like thosai or idli flour, the big jar is being used. Okay, this is the small jar. Okay, it is used for other stuff, something of a smaller quantity. This is the smallest jar over here. This is about 0.5 liters. This is usually used to make like your powders, your masala, even if you want to blend in your dal into a powder or rice flour you like to make. Okay, this is perfect. And of course it comes with the covers for each of the jars. I noticed this comes with a locking technology. Okay, as you can see, there's an arrow, so it can be fixed easily to a motor. Okay, many of you would ask, why are you using an Indian blender instead of getting the normal blenders in the market? Okay, Indian blenders, they are power and it's more heavy duty. So since I cook often, so I'm using an Indian blender because the power is motor power is stronger. So let's see how to put in one of the jars. Okay, I'd like to show it to you. There's suction below, so when you put in the blender, it will not move. Okay, it stays put. So let's say I want to put in this jar. Just put it in and just turn. Okay, then you can put in the cover and you can use it to blend. Okay, I'll be using this blender to do a couple of my recipes. Soon you will look at it, how it is being used. For now, have a good day and keep subscribing to Bunny's Kitchen.